Today you have to start with the new topic to obtain the quadratic equation having the given roots. Already we saw the two topics. One is the nature of the root and another means within the value of the discriminant, the nature of the root we saw already. Then next topic, second topic we saw, that one is the relation between the roots of the equation and the coefficients of the equation. Then you have to start with the new topic, to obtain the quadratic equation having the given roots. So if I will say that the roots I will represent by x is equal to alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are the two roots. So whatever be the value of the x is called as the roots of the quadratic equation. So I will consider let alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation with variable x. Then I will say that x is equal to alpha is one of the root and x is equal to beta is the another root. You have to transpose this alpha from right to left, transpose this beta from right to left. At that time plus alpha becomes minus alpha, plus beta becomes minus beta. That's why you have to say that x minus alpha is equal to 0 and x minus beta is equal to 0. Then these are the two equations. Within these two equations you have to multiply the left hand side by the left hand side and right hand side by the right hand side. Then what will come, that you have to see. Then left hand side will multiply with the left hand. At that time x minus alpha multiplied by x minus beta is equal to 0 multiplied by 0. Right hand side will multiply with the right hand side. Then here two brackets you have to do the product. At that time you have to use the distributive law. X multiplied by x minus beta minus alpha multiplied by x minus beta. Means you have to distribute this bracket within this bracket. So x multiplied by x minus beta minus alpha multiplied by x minus beta is equal to 0. Here again you have to distribute, you have to use the distributive law. X will multiply with the x will multiply with the beta. X multiplied by x minus x multiplied by beta minus alpha will multiply with this x minus alpha multiplied by x minus multiplied by minus is equal to plus, and alpha multiplied by beta is equal to 0. Then you have to do the product. X multiplied by x is equal to x square. You have to write here x square. X multiplied by beta, x alpha multiplied by x. So you have to write the term of the alpha first, alpha into x, and after that you have to write the term of the beta, beta into x, plus sign as it is, alpha into beta as it is. You have to write alpha into beta is equal to alpha, beta is equal to 0. Then within this you have to take out some terms common. So here you have to see that this x is present, this x is present. These are the two like terms. Within these two like terms you have to take out x common, but you have to take out minus x common. At that time you have to change the sign of this beta. This minus become plus. If you will take out whatever be the round terms, I will take out common. That time remaining terms you have to write in the round bracket. Alpha remain as it is, you have to write. This minus become plus. This beta as it is, you have to write bracket complete, plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Then you have to rearrange this middle term x square as it is, you have to write alpha plus beta and x within this multiplication sign. So you have to write alpha plus beta first, and after that you have to write the term of the x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. This is the equation. This is the quadratic equation having the given roots. Having the given roots means if alpha and beta are the two roots, at that time the form of the quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. But alpha plus beta is called as the sum of the roots and alpha into beta is called as the product of the root. From that you will say that x square as it is, you have to write minus sign as it is. This is the sum of the root. So x square minus sum of the root into x plus, you have to say that product of the root is equal to 0. And this is the form of the quadratic equation when roots are given. You have to say that x square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root is equal to 0. Everybody understand? You have to learn this standard form, that x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the root is equal to 0 when the two roots of the quadratic equation are given. When two roots of the quadratic equation are given, by this formula you will get the quadratic equation. Then you have to start with the solved example. Page number 48. Obtain the quadratic equation if the roots are minus 3 and minus 7. Two roots are given, minus 3 and minus 7, and you have to frame the quadratic equation. If the two roots are given, at that time you have to say that one of the root alpha is equal to minus 3 and other root beta is equal to minus 7. Then you have to say that sum of the root alpha plus beta you have to do. Sum means addition, and here product of the root alpha into beta you have to do. Minus, if both numbers are negative, add their magnitude and give the sum the negative sign. Minus 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 10, and minus 3 multiplied by minus 7. If both numbers are negative, the product is positive. 7 3s are 21. The quadratic equation when roots are given is x square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root is equal to 0. X square minus sum of the root alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. X square as it is you have to write. Sum of the root you have to write this minus 10 into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 21 is equal to 0. From that we will get x square plus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. Therefore the quadratic equation becomes x square plus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0 when one of the root is minus 3 and other root is minus 7. In this way, when the roots are given, this way you have to frame the equation. I think you understand all these things. You have to write all these things in the notebook. Next lecture I will start with the exercise. Thank you.